Aaron Williams at Josh Williams. Hwlffordd yn ennill y bêl na nôl, a mae gan Jordan Davies. Davies, arian byw o ymysodwr mewn i'r cwr Cosby! O! Fi'n credu bod hi wedi taro'r ochr y postyn. Cyfle cynnar i Hwlffordd. Dyma Andy Firth, 6 llechen lan yn olynol i'r gŵr gynt o Rangers. O, dyna chi ergyd, a dyna chi gol! Gampus gan Elliot Duggan i gyffyrddiad cyntaf bron yn y gêm, yn gweld Andy Firth oddi ar ei linell ac yn codi'r bêl yn gampus dros ei benne. Mae Hwlffordd ar y blaen, yr adar gleision 1, Cei Connah dim. Cei Connah yn edrych i daro nôl yn syth. Mae yna fantais taldra amlwg gan Cei Connah mewn at y postyn agosa ar ôl benniad ac yna cyfle ac ar y postyn pella. Maen nhw wedi dod yn gyfartal a Ben Nash sydd yn sgorio. Neb wrth ochr Ben Nash ar y postyn pella ac yn gosod y bêl yn gyffyrddus heibio i Zach Jones. Gigrydd gan Fil. Malkin sy'n cynorthwyo'r amddiffyn. Henry Jones. Jones llawn triciau a sgiliau. Mae wedi creu lle fan hyn a derbyn y bêl nôl gan Wilson mewn i'r cwr Cosby. A mae'n mynd i fod yn gico'r smotyn ydi wir. Y drosedd gan Callum Morris. Cyd chwarae hyfryd rhwng Wilson a Henry Jones. Jones yn cael ei wthio yn ei gefn. Penderfyniad bach rwydd i Alex Livesey. Fe nath e bendroni ychydig o eiliadau, pwyntio i'r smotyn a chyfle gwych fan hyn i Hwlffordd i fynd nôl ar y blaen. A mae'r bêl gan brif sgoriwr yr adar gleision Jordan Davies yn erbyn i gyn-glwb. Davies yn erbyn Andy Firth. Yn cymryd i amser, yn bwyllog. Davies yn rhwydo! A mae Hwlffordd nôl ar y blaen. 6 munud ar 20 wedi chwarae. Y drosedd ar Henry Jones. Davies yn manteisio'r smotyn. 9fed gol y tymor i Jordan Davies. Hwlffordd 2, Cei Connah 1. Morris yn oedi. Y symudiad yn arafu. Mae'n ceisio chwarae Harrington mewn. Mae'n bas dda. Harrington tu ôl yr amddiffyn. O, mae dros y bar. Sut yn y byd nath e fethu honna. Joe Malkin yn y cwrt bach. Dim ond troi y bêl tuag at gol oedd angen iddo fe wneud a mae wedi codi'r bêl dros y bar. A mae'n parhau Hwlffordd 2, Cei Connah 1. Ar yr ongl. Yn cael ei chodi'n uchel, a mae Zach Jones wedi galw, a mae e'n casglu'n dda. A mae e'n clirio ymhell lawr y ca. Dim cam sefyll yn erbyn Elliot Duggan, a mae Duggan yn gyflymach. Na Callum Morris ac Andy Firth oedd i ar ei linell, petai Elliot Duggan wedi cael ei benni fyny, oedd y rhwyd fel petai e'n wag. A cyfle cynta'r ail hanner yr adar gleision yn mynd yn ofer. Wel, mae'r pedwerydd swyddog ni Tom Bevan wedi galw Alex Livesey ar draws, a dwi'n credu bod tipyn o brotestiadau wedi bod, a fydd hi'n gerdyn melyn cynta'r gêm, a hynny i reolwr. Cei Connah, Neil Gibson, Jenkins a Patton i fyny o'r cefn. Ac y postyn agosa, mae'r cyffyrddiad ychydig heibio'r postyn. Y gig gornel wedi chwarae mewn yn beryglus a'r cyffyrddiad oddi ar y talced. Se wedi bod ar darged, se wedi bod yn gol. Jack Wilson wedi cael ei symud i fyny i'r ymosod. Peniad lawr i lwybr Wild. Wild yn cymryd yr ergyd, ond tacl dda arno fe. Yn cymryd y cyflymdra allan o'r bêl gan Ricky Watts. A mae gan Zach Jones. Ond cyfle cynta Michael Wild yn yr ail hanner. Davies ymlaen, chwilio am Wilson. Wilson mewn. Os geith ei benni fyny, mae Firth oddi ar ei linell. O, mae Firth rhyw ffordd rhywsut yn cael ei fraich iddi. O, am gyfle I sicrhau'r 3 pwynt. Ond Perth, mae wedi bod oddi ar ei linell trwy gydol yr ail hanner yma. Mae'n chwarae a thân, a bu bron iddo fe gael ei losgi. Tony, many congratulations on a fantastic win, a great 3 points for your team. Best performance of the season so far?
Yeah, to beat Connah's Quay, who haven't lost a game in since September in the league. It's extremely pleasing for the boys. They've had to put a shift in. You can see that at the end, how many boys are going down with cramp. But it's a great win to finish the phase 1. Listen, we're disappointed that we're not in the top 6, but it's down to us now to see how high we can finish in the bottom 6.
Neil, it's been a long day, a long travelling day, trouble on the motorway, late start. Did all that contribute to tonight's result?
It certainly doesn't help, does it? Ultimately we came down 10 days ago, they're prepared properly, stayed over in a hotel, game gets called off in the morning, then you've got to come and play a game 10 days later. We're in the Welsh Premier League, we're a fully part-time football club. Haverfordwest are more full-time than we are, so that puts into context where we're at. 4 of our players were unavailable today because we play in a semi-professional league and they have to work, so there's absolutely impossible for them to get from North Wales to Haverfordwest in time to play tonight's fixture. So, whether that's right or wrong, who knows? But those are the cards we were dealt with. Once we get the players, 14 of them who were able to make the trip down, who were able to get off the work to come down, we did everything as right as we could. We had a pre-match meal on the way, we stopped at Swansea, and then there's a fire on a car crash on the motorway. Those things contribute towards it, but ultimately I didn't feel that we underperformed because of that. I felt that Haverfordwest were good in the first half. They've got some good quality players. They've scored a 25-yard goal into the top corner, and they've scored a penalty where Henry Jones is really clever, slows himself down to field contact and goes down in the box. So those are the 2 elements of the game that have cost us today, and we probably didn't show the same level of quality or the same cleverness in the final third. Elliot, that was a fantastic goal this evening. Have you scored a better one?
I can't remember scoring one like that since I was about 6 years old. For me, I thought I was offside at the time, and I just turned and thought I just need to hit it. And next thing I know, as I looked behind the ball, I just thought, it's going in. And it's just one of the best feelings I've had in Haverfordwest shirt, to be honest.
And it spurred the team on to a fantastic performance.
Yeah, the boys, we were all unreal tonight. We just dug in deep. The game it was just a torrid, dogged game. We had to scrap for every first ball, second ball, runs in behind, and it was just. But I'm sure on the eye it wasn't one of the prettiest games, but for us it felt so good to get the 3 points.
And it's so important as well. It puts you in 7th position, and all to play for now for a playoff place.
Yeah, we just got to take it game by game now. Obviously, our goal as a team is to get that European spot through the playoffs. The gaffer said that to me since I've come in, and the boys we've had our eyes set on it since I've come in. I think it's achievable for us. I like the quality we have in the dressing room. I think at times this season we've just been unlucky, but we've dug in like today and we showed we can win games.